right now. That includes the student of second year as well as third year and some of the faculty.
20 बैच से कितना लोग ज्वाइन किया, किसी को है आइडिया?
The students from 20 batch, please raise your hand here. You will get an option in the Microsoft team where you can raise your hand. Almost 16 to 17 students are there, sir.
No, here it is showing 15.
Sir. In a strength of 22, we have got 15 students online right now, sir.
अच्छा 22 है इन लोगों का स्ट्रेंथ.
Right now we have got only 22 number of students.
ठीक है, थोड़ा वेट कर लीजिए.
Kaushik, my slide is visible?
हाँ,
Yes,
स्लाइड
sir.
तो दिख रहा है.
Okay, sir. So, sir, shall we start?
देख लीजिए, स्ट्रेंथ देख लीजिए. और 2 मिनट रुक जाइए.
Okay, sir.
देख लीजिए. अभी स्टार्ट कर ही दीजिए अनीश जी। कितना कितना लोग आ गया? ऑलमोस्ट जिसको आना होगा आ गया होगा।
हाँ सर, I think so 15 minutes have passed by.
हाँ ओके दिन। हाँ
Fine sir, with due permission I start my orientation program of today. So good evening to our respected HOD sir, Professor R.R. Sahay sir, my dear colleagues and my dear friends. We are here to have an orientation program and welcome our first year students of civil engineering department. So as per our itinerary, first of all, I would like to introduce to the first year students about the department as well as the courses which they have opted for. So basically civil engineering. Civil engineering is a professional engineering discipline in which you will be able to understand and get a knowledge of the planning, construction, and basically management of all those things which will be related to infrastructures. Civil engineering is also considered to be the father of engineering, as first of all, the first degree which was being awarded to the students or the scholars were in the area of engineering was civil engineering. Okay, and most of the papers were primarily, first of all, when our primitives have got those degrees, had to study many papers of the civil engineering. So we consider us to be the backbone of the engineering branches, as we have to deal with each and every problem, and along with our technical knowledge we have to have the social knowledge also, as we have to deal with the persons also. So this is one of the finest branch which you have opted for. Now there are different specialization in civil engineering, and all those specializations are related to each and every human being. For example, if I consider it to be construction engineering, a construction is very important in everybody's life. Once all you have once visited, witnessed the construction in your life. So you may see that construction engineering, geotechnical engineering. Geotechnical engineering is related to the soil, because every construction is to be built up on some strata, and that strata is needed to be studied before any construction. So all those elements are studied under geotechnical engineering. Then structural engineering, which deals with the structures of the buildings. Then transportation engineering, railways, highways, airways, waterways, all those things will be covered in this specialization. Then environmental engineering, as the word itself suggests, that you have to get a knowledge about the environment. And the environment includes the air quality, water quality, sound quality, and all those things. Now next is your water resource engineering, in which you will study about different rivers, canals, how to change the courses of the rivers, or how to utilize the water bodies for different purposes, either for drinking or either for irrigational works. Now, before moving ahead, I would like to explain you that we are not scientists, we are rather engineers. We believe to have an application of science over the practical utility of human beings. So in the engineering, in the 4 years, you will try to learn that how you will utilize the researches done in the fields of sciences to benefit or to provide the beneficial needs of the human beings. Then prospects of civil engineering, what you will acquire after getting a degree of the 4 years of BTech civil engineering. After the undergraduate study of civil engineering, you may opt either for higher studies or job prospects. If you opt for higher studies, then you may go either for foreign institutional studies or Indian institutional studies. In foreign institutions, you will be getting a degree of MS or PhD, for which you will be requiring a GRE or TOEFL, depending upon the country which you are opting for. Then MBA or MEM, for which you will be requiring a qualification of a GMAT, or you have to qualify for GMAT. Now, Indian institutions require GATE and JAM for MTech, MS, and PhD, and CAT and ZAT for the MBA. Some of the reputed institutions for MTech, MS in India is IITs, NITs, ISCs, and triple IITs. And in foreign institutions, it is MIT, Stanford, Imperial College of London, Cambridge University, Purdue University, and many more. For MBA, you may see here that the topmost colleges, as you all know, is IIMs, and then of course XLI, IFT, FMS, and those all things. And some of the master business administration colleges I have listed for the foreign institutions also. Job prospects, you may either go opt for a public sector or private sector. Now, public sector includes state government, central government, PSUs, and UPSC and other streams. You may see here that I have also written Indian armies. Even though in army it is told that the soldiers are the first one who faces the enemy, it is not so. We, the engineers, are the first one which have to move at the border lines whenever war situation comes, as we have to make sure that the infrastructure is capable for our soldiers. And in private sectors, we have got construction industries like L&T, GAM, and DLF, Aluvalia, and many more. Building materials, most of the cement industries give the placements. In our college also, Johnson & Johnson Prism comes for the placement. Some of the students have been placed in those companies. And you may have your own businesses also as an entrepreneur. We have also our alumni which have started their entrepreneurship and they are working nicely. Then I have explained it some more, like field job, research, and management. Through some graphical means, I have tried to explain it. Now, the field job again includes public sector, private sector, government sectors, research, MTech, PhD, scientists, management, MBA, PG, DBM, and other things. Now, private sectors, you may see here through the graphical representation. Now, these are some of the public sectors. Now, most of the public sectors are recruiting the professionals through the GATE examinations. So they require the GATE certificate to enter these public sectors. Now, these are some government sectors. First of all is IES. When you qualify for IES, you may opt for either CPWD, railways, water resource, or military engineering services and others. As you may see here that I have sublisted the IES services here. Now, as I have shown you the specializations ahead, in the specialization you may carry for your MTech and ME degree. MTech stands for Masters in Technology and ME stands for Masters in Engineering. Higher study options. Now, there are some more options like airport, R&D department, VWD, railways, banks, defense, and other. So these were the prospects of the future where can you opt after getting a degree of 4 years from BIT Patna. Now, this is the history of BIT Mesra. Since our primary university is BIT Mesra, so it was established in the 1955 by Mr. B.M. Birla. So it is one of the premier institutions in India. BIT Patna campus was established in 2006 under the PPP mode, public-private partnership mode with the Bihar government. So this was the institute. This photograph I have shown you when the institute first started in the year 2006, and this photograph was somewhat around 2007. Now, regarding civil engineering department, institute had started in 2006, but we had started our first batch since 2007, and from then onwards we are giving a degree of B first of all. Now we are giving a degree of BTech. We have an intake of 30 students. We are equipped with various of the softwares like AutoCAD, IGS, StatPro, and MATLAB, and we have our own computer lab where you can utilize these softwares. This society is also having a civil engineering, and this department is also having a society named as Civil Engineering Society, and through that society we conduct various of the events which will be given a brief idea by Mr. Manish of third year later on. Now, this is the strength of our department, headed by Professor Dr. BALRAM Singh. He is specialized in water resources. Then Professor RAJEEV SAHAY. He is also specialized in water resource engineering. Then myself. Then one of our structure is specialization faculty, Dr. SYED TABIN RUSHAD. Then BANDANA MAHTO ma'am, ANGSHUMAN sir, and BN Singh sir. But regarding BANDANA MAHTO ma'am, he is specialized in water resource. ANGSHUMAN MANDAL sir is specialized in structural engineering, and BN Singh sir is specialized in structural engineering. Now, these are some policies on which our department works. We work to develop your professional skills. We outreach various of the sectors through interdisciplinary programs, and we work day and night to bring up the dynamic, logical, and effective leaders with effective mindsets. Now, these are the present laboratories with us: concrete and road materials laboratory, geology laboratory, hydraulics laboratory, geotechnical laboratory, structural engineering, surveying, environmental engineering, and computer laboratory. During your latter 3 years, first year will be in your general labs or physics and chemistry lab. When you enter in the second year, you will be having these particular labs where you will be coming across to various of the latest instruments which we have in the lab. But you are almost always welcome in our lab, even though in your first year also. This is the list of some events which we had in 2019-20. Even the pandemic has not made this department to stop. This department had conducted the orientation program of second year. Generally, first we had the orientation program for the second year students in our department. This year, the first time the first year orientation is being conducted by the department. So even this in this pandemic area, we had conducted our orientation program. We had our edifice event, as well as the cultural night was also organized by the society, though in the online mode. Somewhere the guest lectures had also been conducted in the department by many of the professionals or many of the faculties of IIT Delhi, IISc Bangalore, some professionals of the fields like PhD department, some of Anil Kumar Saryar sir, who is a very good renowned person in the area of construction. These are some details of our alumni which have passed out from our college, and they are working in various of the fields. Some are doing the higher educations. These are few of the names which are listed here, but the list is endless. And all our alumni are connected with us through that civil engineering society. These are some of the memories or the functions which we had in our department. As you can see, a name is coming as a family because this department works with the concept of the family. We nurture you so that when you leave this college, you have a nice memories, as well as you know how to behave in a professional field. Now we had prepared a Google form for the data. We are having presently the data for the students of second year, third year, and final year. This time we had introduced for the first year also. You will be seeing a link here, and along with this, our society technical head had also sent you the mail. You all had received the mail on your respective mail IDs where you had got this link. Please go through the link, fill up your data, as it will be required by the department whenever we require your details or any information is needed to be distributed to you. So this mail must have been received by you all till now. So fill this particular form, as the end date to fill the form is by tomorrow. And thank you for your patience hearing. So now I would request our HOD sir to say a few words.
Good evening to all of you, my dear colleague and students. हर जो इंजीनियर कह लीजिए या इस प्रोफेशन से जितने भी जुड़े हुए लोग हैं, एक मौका आता है कि स्कूलिंग के बाद, और अभी तो स्कूलिंग ही है, लेकिन हम लोगों के समय में स्कूलिंग, इसके बाद हम लोग कॉलेज में जाते थे, फिर इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में जाते थे। अभी तो सारे स्कूल +2 हैं, तो मोस्टली आप लोग जो है स्कूलिंग के बाद ही डायरेक्टली जो है इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में एडमिशन लिए। तो इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट हो गया है सारे इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज और प्रोफेशनल कॉलेजेस के लिए, जिसमें हम लोग अपना इंस्टीट्यूशंस डिपार्टमेंट के बारे में आप लोगों को बताते हैं। और जैसा कि सबको पता है कि ये इवेंट एक बहुत ही खास, कहा जाए कि पूरी दुनिया में एक जो माहौल है उसके संदर्भ में, अपना जैसे दुनिया चल रही है उस अनुसार से हो रहा है। मेरे कहने का मतलब है कि अंग्रेजी में हम लोग इसको ऑनलाइन जो बोल रहे हैं, पहले कोई सोचा भी नहीं था इवेंट्स इस तरह का जो ऑनलाइन मोड में होगा, फिर भी टेक्नोलॉजी है, सब जो इवन हाई स्कूल मिडिल स्कूल में भी सब लोग पढ़े होंगे कि आवश्यकता ही आविष्कार की जननी है। तो जैसी आवश्यकता पड़ी उस तरह का जो है टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप हुआ और उसमें जो है सारे चीज जो है सारे काम हम लोग जो है कर रहे हैं। ऐसे तो हम लोग जो अभी तक सोचते आ रहे थे और पढ़ते आ रहे थे कि दुनिया बहुत आगे बढ़ गई है सारे फील्ड में। एट द सेम टाइम इस पैंडेमिक में ये अनुभव हुआ कि एक वायरस मतलब बहुत सा छोटा जो है मॉलिक्यूल सारी दुनिया को अपने जद में ले लिया और उसके चलते सारी दुनिया जो है काफ़ी जो है प्रॉब्लम जो है मुश्किल के दौर से गुजर रही है। और अभी तक जैसा कि सोशल मीडिया और टेलीविज़न और ये सब पर देखने को आ रहा है और सुनने में आ रहा है कि अभी तक कोई भी सर्टेनिटी के साथ नहीं कह पा रहा है कि कोई दवा भी निकल पाएगी और कोई अपना जो अभी तक जो मेडिसिन प्लस जो है आपका जो है अभी जो रिसर्च चल रहा है वैक्सीन पर कि कौन सी वैक्सीन जो है कितना सक्सेसफुल होगी ये भी कहना मुश्किल है। प्रोग्रेस बहुत हुआ है, बहुत कम समय में होप हो गया है कि नहीं वैक्सीन आ जाएगी और इस महामारी से हम लोगों को निजात मिल जाएगा। लेकिन जहां तक अनुभव बता रहा है इस पैंडेमिक का कि हो सकता है कि पूरी दुनिया को इसी लाइफ को जीना पड़े जहां पर टेक्नोलॉजी का सहारा ज़्यादा लेना पड़ेगा। ऑनलाइन जितने भी हैं क्लासेज हो चाहे कोई भी वर्क ये नॉर्म बन जाएंगे और हम लोगों को उस तरह का स्किल सबको डेवलप करना पड़ेगा। ऐसे स्किल डेवलपमेंट की बात चल रही थी और ट्रेनिंग अपना संस्थान भी खुले, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने बहुत ज़्यादा इस पर खर्च किया, लेकिन वो दूसरे तरह का स्किल था। लेकिन जिस स्किल की हम लोग जो है बीइंग इंजीनियर जो हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं उस तरह से सोसाइटी को जो है चलाना पड़ेगा अब। और ये नियर नॉर्मल ये सिचुएशन होगा जहां तक इंफॉर्मेशन आ रहा है कि अगर फिजिकल मोड में भी जहां तक हम लोगों का जो है कंसर्न है क्लासेस चलाना आप लोग जो है वरीड होंगे और ये सब अगर फिजिकल मोड में भी क्लासेस चलेंगे तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हम लोगों को टेक्नोलॉजी का ही यूज करना पड़ेगा। और मुझे जहां तक उम्मीद है कि आने वाले इवेंट 2021-2022 तक जो है मिनिमम फिजिकल इंटरेक्शन रहेगा। तो हम लोगों को तैयार रहना है जो भी सिचुएशन है उसमें अपने को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए। और जहां तक टेक्निकल नॉलेज की बात है वो तो प्रोफेसर अनीश आप लोगों को बताए कि क्या क्या हम लोगों के पास है और किस तरह का नॉलेज हम लोग टेक्नोलॉजी आधारित जो आप लोगों को प्रदान करने जा रहे हैं। लेकिन मैं जो है अपने अनुभव से जो है आप लोगों को कुछ चीज़ें जो है बताना चाहूँगा। और ऐसे देखिए सोशल मीडिया जो है इतना एक्टिव है, इवन टेलीविज़न जो है कि बहुत सारा इंफॉर्मेशन बहुत ही आसानी से मिल जा रहा है। और टेक्नोलॉजी ऑफ कोर्स इतनी एडवांस हो गई है कि चीज़ें इतनी आसान हो गई हैं कि हम लोग हैबिचुएटेड हो गए हैं। मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करूंगा। मैं तो कभी देखता नहीं था व्हाट्सएप और ये सब जो यूज भी नहीं करना चाह रहा था, लेकिन अब उसके बिना काम ही नहीं चल रहा है। इतना आसान हो गया है कि आदमी तुरंत जो है मोबाइल जो है अपना खोल लेता है, कोई भी चीज़ देखना हो, कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन डिसेमिनेट करना हो। मैं भी अपना स्टूडेंट को जो है ग्रुप में भेज देता हूँ। बट एक चीज़ हमेशा ध्यान रखना है कि जो भी चीज आसानी से उपलब्ध होती है तो उसके बहुत ज्यादा जो है ना दूसरे पहलू भी होते हैं। तो थोड़ा उस पर ध्यान दीजिए, जितनी जरूरत हो उतना ही यूज करिए। एनवायरनमेंट के बारे में जो है सबको पता है, एनर्जी जो है बहुत ज्यादा एनर्जी जो है हम लोग कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं। अदर रिसोर्सेज है जैसे वाटर रिसोर्सेज है उसको भी बहुत ज्यादा यूज कर रहे हैं और मिसयूज भी कर रहे हैं। तो नॉलेज का मतलब ये नहीं है कि केवल बुक पढ़ लें, एग्जामिनेशन जो है पास कर जाएं और जो चीज हम लोगों को और जो है उससे सीखना है उसको न करें। तो अभी जो है जिस जमाने में आप लोग अभी तक बड़े हुए और आगे आपको जो जाना है तो इन सब चीजों पर जो है ध्यान देना होगा। दुनिया टेक्नोलॉजी तो बढ़ गई है लेकिन इस दुनिया में जीना भी उतना आसान नहीं रह गया है। आप जब पहली बार, मुझे जहां तक याद है 23 मार्च या 24 मार्च को जो लॉकडाउन हुआ था, तो उस समय प्रधानमंत्री जी का जो देश के नाम जो है आह्वान था और लेक्चर था उसको सुनिए। फिर कुछ ही दिनों के बाद जिसको लॉक इन अनलॉक जो बोल रहे हैं, फिर उनका जो है फिर सुनिए उनका जो है देश के नाम संदेश, और दोनों में आपको पता चलेगा कि 180 डिग्री का जो है डिफरेंस था। पहला में था कि अगर जान बची रहे तो आदमी जो है कमा भी लेगा जो है, और कुछ ही दिन के बाद था कि नहीं, जान तभी बचेगी जब आप कमाइएगा। तो जो अनलॉक हम लोग बोल रहे हैं जो खोलना पड़ा, बात सही है। ऐसे तो आप लोग सोशल मीडिया पर देखिए कि सबका वेल्थ बढ़ता जा रहा है, अंबानी हो चाहे एलन मस्क भी आ गए हैं, बिल गेट्स आ गए हैं, सारे जो है धनी लोग जो है, लेकिन पता चलता है एक दो दिन क्या एक महीने के अंदर और पता चला कि इनका वेल्थ जो इतना डाउन चला गया। तो कोई उसमें बैंक करप्ट हो जाता है जो है। तो ये इकोनॉमिक्स जो है ना, जो आप जिस युग में आप लोग आगे बढ़ रहे हैं तो ये इकोनॉमिक्स में काफी जो है कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है। तो पैसा जिस तरह से आ रहा है उसी तरह से जा रहा है। पहले ऐसा नहीं था, बहुत जल्दी कोई धनी नहीं बनता था और बहुत जल्दी कोई गरीब नहीं बनता था। तो अभी ये सब भी ध्यान देना है, पैसा केवल कमाने से नहीं होगा, पैसा बचाना भी पड़ेगा। और एक दो एग्जाम्पल पढ़ करके सुन करके उसको जो आत्मसात करने का जो कोशिश नहीं करना चाहिए। मेहनत करना चाहिए, मेहनत से पैसा कमाइए और उसको खर्च भी जो है सोच समझ करके करिए। बहुत सारा चीज जो है अभी बराक ओबामा साहब जो ट्रम्प साहब से पहले जो है अमेरिका के प्रेसिडेंट थे, उनकी बुक के बारे में आता है जो है कि जिस देश में अभी इतनी गरीबी है, रहने के लिए छत नहीं है और पीने के लिए साफ पानी नहीं है जो है, और अभी एक्चुअल सिचुएशन ये है कि वैक्सीन आ भी गया तो हमारी आबादी इतनी है और लोगों का परचेजिंग पावर इतना कम है कि मिनिमम 10 साल लगेगा सबको जो है वैक्सीन जो है उपलब्ध कराने में सरकार को। जैसा कि पहले का अनुभव है, चिकन पॉक्स का हुआ, पोलियो का वैक्सीन जो है अभी तक चल रहा है जो है। वैक्सीन के साथ एक सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत ये है कि मिनिमम जो है 75% मास को अगर नहीं लगे तो वो जो है वायरस जो है हमेशा जो है अपना आता रहता है जो है। तो हमारे देश के साथ ये सारे प्रॉब्लम है। एक चीज वो बीच में मैं बराक ओबामा साहब का नाम लिया, और उस देश में उनके बुक में जो आने जा रहा है उन्होंने लिखा है कि उस देश में यहाँ के इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट किस तरह का लाइफ जी रहे हैं। तो मेरे कहने का मतलब है कि उस एनवायरनमेंट में आपको आगे बढ़ना है, आगे चलना है। अब आप सोचिए जो है, बहुत सारे आपके सामने एग्जाम्पल रहेंगे। हम लोगों का ज़माना जो हम लोग पढ़े थे और जिस एनवायरनमेंट में हॉस्टल में रहे, अभी तो आप लोगों को हॉस्टल हो सकता है कि अगले सेमेस्टर में आप लोग कैंपस में आइएगा, उसमें काफ़ी अंतर है। पहले कहा जाता था हॉस्टल में आपका लिविंग मीन्स रहने का और खाने का वैसा ही प्रबंध रहेगा जैसे कि यहाँ इस देश के एवरेज नागरिक जो है रह सकें जो है। अभी ऐसा नहीं है। एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस के हॉस्टल जो है आपके पेमेंट कैपेसिटी पर बन गए हैं जो है। तो पैसा भी है और आपको जो है ना खर्च भी जो है आपको करना पड़ेगा। आप फी देख लीजिए, पहले उस एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस को बढ़िया माना जाता था जहां पर फी एकदम कम हो, ऑलमोस्ट नेग्लिजिबल। अभी अगर फी कम कर दिया जाए तो गार्जियन और स्टूडेंट को विश्वास ही नहीं होगा कि वो इंस्टीट्यूशन जो है अच्छा है। आप आईएम का फी देख लीजिए, आईआईटी का देख लीजिए, एनआईटी का देख लीजिए। ये गवर्नमेंट जो है इनको इतना पैसा देती है, इसके बावजूद जो कितना फी है। तो एक इस तरह का एनवायरनमेंट भी बन गया है कि नहीं, आप जो पैसा लीजिए और पैसा खर्च करिए। अगेन आप लोगों को ग्रुप में रहना जो है सीखना पड़ेगा और डिसीजन मेकिंग। देखिए डिसीजन मेकिंग एक जो है काफ़ी जो है कहा जाए कि इसमें आपको इनहेरिटेड जो आपका जो गुण है वो काम आता है, और जो आपकी ट्रेनिंग। दुनिया के सबसे डिफिकल्ट डिसीजंस जो है पॉलिटिशियंस लेते हैं जो है। आप देखिएगा पॉलिटिक्स में आपको लगेगा कि कितने ये डाइवर्स लोग हैं, फिर भी डिफरेंट पार्टियां जो है मिल करके जो है सरकार बना लेती हैं, पूरा हंगामा करते हैं सदन में वो लोग, फिर एक साथ मिल जाते हैं, एक साथ पार्टी करते हैं, बैठते हैं, उठते हैं। मतलब कि ये काफ़ी जो अच्छा चीज़ है कि एक सिद्धांत पर आप जो डिफर करिए, लेकिन जहाँ तक देश का है, समाज का है, उसको आगे बढ़ाना हो तो आप एक हो जाइए। तो डिसीजन मेकिंग भी बहुत सारे डिफिकल्ट डिसीजंस आपको लेने होंगे, उसके लिए भी आप लोगों को तैयार रहना पड़ेगा। और इंटेग्रिटी अपने परिवार के प्रति, अपने इंस्टीट्यूशंस के प्रति, अपने स्टेट के प्रति, देश के प्रति आपको वो तो निभानी पड़ेगी। और एक और चीज़ मैं बता दूं कि ऑनेस्टी है वो मरने के बाद भी आदमी के साथ रहेगा, जो भी आदमी हो। तो जहां तक हो सके आप जो ईमानदारी का जीवन जो है जीने की कोशिश करिए। ये सारी चीजें मैं जो कह रहा हूं हैं तो काफी डिफिकल्ट, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि इस जमाने में भी ईमानदारी से न रहा जाए। आजकल का जनरेशन जो है काफी जो है लेबोरियस है, मेहनती है, दुनिया के किसी भी कोने पर जाने के लिए तैयार है अपने कैरियर को लेकर के। लेकिन एक चीज ध्यान दीजिएगा, कैरियर का केवल ये मतलब नहीं होता कि पैसा कमाना है। जॉब वो ढूंढिए जिसको आप जिंदगी में एंजॉय कर पाइए, तभी आप जिंदगी को अच्छी तरह से जी पाइएगा। बहुत ज्यादा प्लानिंग की जरूरत नहीं है जिंदगी जीने के लिए, लेकिन प्लानिंग थोड़ी बहुत तो जरूरी है ही। लेकिन वो प्लानिंग जो है, जहां तक मेरी राय है, उस प्लानिंग में ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि हम इतना साल के जॉब में कार खरीद लेंगे, एक फ्लैट खरीद लेंगे जो है मेट्रोपॉलिटन में, और ये सारी चीज़ें जो है ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वो आ जाएंगी। जैसे बच्चा जो है ना, बहुत सारे गार्जियन सिखाते हैं हमेशा जो उसको रटा वो कि ये है, वैसा चीज़ करने का जरूरत नहीं है। वो कुछ चीज़ें जो है बच्चा अपने आप सीख जाएगा धीरे धीरे जो है। तो वैसे ही जिंदगी है, कुछ चीज़ें अपने आप आ जाएगी। आपका फोकस ये होना चाहिए कि हमको लाइफ कैसे जीना है। तो उसके लिए भले देर हो, जॉब वो सिलेक्ट करिए, प्लेस वो सिलेक्ट करिए जहाँ पर आप जिंदगी को एंजॉय कर पाइए जो है। और सोसाइटी को हमेशा कुछ देने का कोशिश करिए, चाहे आपका जो है अपना जो है प्रोफेशन हो या दूसरे को भी जो है अगर आप मदद कर सकते हैं तो वो बहुत अच्छी बात है। ये सब चीज हम लोगों को जो है सीखना है। दूसरा चीज एक ध्यान दीजिएगा, ये मैं प्रैक्टिकल चीज बता रहा हूँ। प्रोफेसर अनीश जो है कंस्ट्रक्शन है सब के बारे में जो है बात कर रहे थे, सिविल इंजीनियरिंग का। अभी आप देखिएगा इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस का तो बहुत कम वाइस चांसलर या डायरेक्टर सिविल इंजीनियरिंग के जो है आप पाइएगा जो है, जबकि पहले बहुत काफी संख्या में होते थे। उसका भी एक कारण है जो है, अभी जो सिलेक्शन होता है किसी भी लेवल पर तो वो कहता है लोग कितना पेपर पब्लिश है, समझिए। और सिविल इंजीनियरिंग में पेपर पब्लिश करना उतना आसान नहीं है जिस तरह से अदर इंजीनियरिंग वाले जो है पब्लिश करते हैं। तो उसके चलते सिविल इंजीनियरिंग के लोग बहुत कम ही आपको मिलेंगे अभी, डायरेक्टर और वाइस चांसलर। लेकिन एक चीज है कि सिविल इंजीनियरिंग सोसाइटी से जुड़ा हुआ ब्रांच है, हर आदमी को इससे वास्ता है। तो मोस्ट ऑफ द वाइस चांसलर सिविल इंजीनियरिंग के नहीं है और मैक्सिमम प्रॉब्लम वो लोग जो है सिविल इंजीनियरिंग का ही फेस करते हैं, और वो इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है कि उसको अवॉइड भी नहीं किया जा सकता है। मेरे कहने का मतलब है कि आप तो सिविल इंजीनियरिंग ब्रांच के हैं, अगर सिविल इंजीनियरिंग वाले नहीं भी हैं, जो इंजीनियरिंग के स्टूडेंट हैं, उनको सिविल इंजीनियरिंग के बारे में नॉलेज होना बहुत जरूरी है। अदरवाइज संस्थान चलाना बहुत ही मुश्किल होगा। इन सब सारे शब्दों के साथ एक बार आप लोगों को जो है फिर बेस्ट विशेष कि आपका संस्थान में स्टेज है सक्सेसफुल रहे और फ्लाइंग कलर के साथ जो है बीआईटी मेसरा के पटना सेंटर से आप डिग्री ले करके और अच्छे भविष्य को बना करके आप यहाँ से जाएंगे जो है। इस शुभकामना के साथ मैं अपना वो व्याख्यान खत्म करता हूँ। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words. I hope these words will surely benefit not only the first year students, rather other students and including myself. Now I would request Mr. Manish of third year to kindly introduce about the Civil Engineering Society which we have in our department. And I would like to tell you all that this is the society where we have our Facebook page, we have our Instagram page, where the alumni and different professionals are connected. And you will also be glad to know that this is the only department and this is the only orientation program which is right now also streaming live on our YouTube channel. So Manish, over to you. Please tell the students about the society.
Professor Anish, I'll take a small break. Sorry, I'll take a small break. As you know that I have got certain this one. 10-15 minutes. That's all. Again, I'll join. Okay. Thank you.
Manish,
thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Sir, is the PPT visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay. First of all, I would like to say good evening to all present here. Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. You may start.
Good evening to all present here. Respected HOD, sir, all the professors, my seniors, my colleagues, and all the juniors present here. It's my immense pleasure that I'm going to present a brief description about what the civil society is. Civil society is one of the renowned societies of the BIT Patna campus. In my perspective, this is not just a society. Actually, this is like a family to all. This family is having very strong roots, as every member of the society contributes to the society for the progress and its charm. Since the society has been established, every member has given its full potential to contribute to its progress. This society has an important role in life of every student of civil engineering department, as it provides exposure to our talent through different events. Actually, this society keeps on keeps on organizing different events like edifice, cultural night, webinar, etc. to enhance the knowledge of every student in technical terms, in academic terms, in every way, so that he or she can be well experienced. This society also contributes when the people are in need of help. Like last year when Bihar faced problem about floods, this society helped the peoples through every means in which they can help them by providing them food, clothes, like the stuffs which is essential for the people in that scenario. This, the best part of our society is that even a person which is not allotted a post or is not in the committee member of the society, his or her views are equally important and equally respected, so that we can make the events events very good. This shows that each and every student has equal responsibility of the proper working for the society. Here are some of the glimpses of the society which in the recent time of the events the society has conducted. This is the event of the last year edifice, which was conducted by by our seniors, in which we took part. This was the first picture in the left side, in which you are seeing it is the event Save the Egg. In the right side, it's extempo. In this slide, in the right side, it's the glimpse of the picture of treasure hunt. In the left side, it's save the boat. In the middle of this, it's quiz round 1, save the card house. These are the glimpses related to the flood relief program. Last year, the Teachers' Day celebration, which was also organized by the Civil Engineering Society. And even in this pandemic situation, when we were not able to perform the physical means, we tried to make the programs possible by online modes. Like this year, we made edifice possible by in online mode. Here are some of the glimpses of the edifice 2020 in online mode. In this slide you are seeing the magazine released by the Civil Engineering Society SVADHYAYA. It was released on the day of Gandhi Jayanti under the guidance of ANISH sir and our respected HOD sir. On the day of 14th November, we organized a cultural night on online mode, which was streamed on YouTube as well. You can follow our Civil Engineering Society on the Facebook page, on the Instagram page, as well as the YouTube, as mentioned by the Anis. Here are some of the glimpses of the cultural night in the online mode, and here are the names of the people which are allotted the post in the Civil Engineering Society. Firstly, Miss Ankita Kiran, who is the president of this civil society, then Abhishek Datta, joint general secretary, then Manish Kumar, myself Manish Kumar, joint general secretary, Pushkar Raj, treasurer, Saurav Sinha and Vivaswan Kaushik, the technical head of the Civil Engineering Society, Siddhant Kumar Mishra and Mohammad Farhan, the publication head, Rajat and Rakshit for the photography and cultural head, Shavik Dev and Shayan Akhtar for alumni relations, Amritanshu and Satish Patel for the public relations, Nishant and Akash resource secretary, Sumit and Tawfiq coverage and workshop head, Sujat Shaukat, Shrishti, Aman, Aman Kumar Singh, Akashdeep and Vinish from the second year who help us to organize the events. They are the executive members. I hope this society will help you all in every means possible. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
So thank you, Manish, for giving us a nice presentation. As Manish has told, we also have a magazine from our society and other from the department, where it is a bilingual magazine where the language is not a restriction, as well as the content is also not a restriction. Either it may be technical or non-technical, or any of the things which any of the faculty members or the students of any of the branches wishes to get it published. We are also trying to get an ISSN number so that you may get a credit for that also. So now I would like to request our Sahay sir, Professor Dr. R. Sahay sir, to say a few words, sir.
Hello, am I audible too?
Yes, sir,
you're
audible, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Sir, you're audible.
Good evening to everyone. First, I would like to welcome my new students. You have chosen a very good college and very good branch for your career. But this goodness can be only bettered if you work hard. You see, you all know that there are plenty of colleges in this country which offer civil engineering branches. More than 10,000 students are enrolled and pass out every year. But 10,000 jobs are not created in civil engineering. Most of you have joined civil engineering for government jobs. Civil engineering boys, they don't go for private jobs. They want to be a gazetted officer. They want to serve in a government job. They want secure jobs. But as I said, more than 10,000 students pass out every year from civil engineering stream, and not everyone get employed. Only those are employed who work hard, very hard. This marathon is won by the people who work very hard. I hope that you will work very hard, and the high cost of education can only be repaid when you get a job after passing out, which can only be realized with your persistent exercise towards your goal. Now is the time for you to improve in your weak areas. Some of you may be weak in English, spoken English, written English, general knowledge. So this is the time where you are not too much loaded with your coursework, and you can improve on these areas, because later on you won't find time, and these things are examined in your examinations. You first have to fix your goal. What is your goal? As Dr. Anish said, some of you may be interested in joining MBA. Very fine. If you are interested in doing MBA after civil engineering, you have to work towards getting into a good institute for MBA. If you want to qualify engineering services, you have to first see what are the subjects which are asked in engineering services and prepare for those subjects. If you want to go for higher degrees, then you have to qualify high for GATE examinations. So what are the examination? What are the subjects which are asked in different important examination? You have to look into those aspects. This is the time where you can prepare and improve upon your weak areas. Must mind you that I have found year after year that our boys who were very good could not get good jobs after passing out from here. Why was that so? Because primarily this was because they did not fix their objective. Some 2-3 years ago, when there was time, and when they passed out, they were confused what to do. I ask all my students to prepare for GATE examinations. GATE examination is the first gate towards the multiple gates to success. If you get a good score in GATE examination, you can get admission in good institution for your master's degree with a scholarship. And when you have a scholarship, you have the facility of hostel and library, and you can work towards your engineering services exam. So I will urge my new students and some of my older students who are listening to me that must prepare for GATE examination, have good GATE score. These government jobs, they do not come very frequently. They don't come on regular basis. But engineering services examination, it is held everywhere, every year. GATE examinations, they are held every year. So these are the examinations you must try to strike. And only those can strike well who prepare well. And this is the time for your preparation. You are at home. You don't have the pressure of attending labs, writing journals. You have plenty of time and you can improve upon your weak areas. So once again, I congratulate you that you have chosen a good institute, a good department for your bachelor's degree. And I hope you will succeed in your chosen field. Thank you.
Thank you, Sai sir, for the inspiring words. And certainly, many of the students and our alumni has qualified the GATE examinations, and they are working in the PSUs as well as in different of the IITs and NITs. So thank you, sir. Now I will request Dr. TABIN RUSHAD sir to say a few words. He is specialized in structural engineering.
Good afternoon to all of you, and especially I welcome all the students who have joined just now. And again, now it is really very sad that we don't come face to face, but whatever it is there, It is the reality and we have to face it. At whatever the good things which we can follow for the success in the life, all has been done or told to you by our professors, especially our head Professor Balram Singh and our senior professor R.R. Sahay. I will add or I will just re-emphasize the things, two or three things which the sirs have told you. First is, before being a good engineer, you should be a very good human being, because the goodness of a human being includes your involvement with your parents, the first persons or the first individuals which require your attention, your siblings, then your society, and your college, or whatever is the around us. Second is, for being a good human, you should have your labor hard on every aspects of the life, whether it is your success in your career or in success in your leadership quality. Or now what is the main problem? All we want a good leader, but the problem is that leader can be very few. So before being or before thinking that I should be a good leader, you should be a very good follower. And this process may start or may have been started in earlier career. But now, as an adult, you you should follow, or to be a good follower, first you should follow your teachers, whatever they are asking you in the class, how to study, how to prepare the journals, how to prepare the homeworks. So this will also give you the importance in getting the marks, as well as in getting the quality of a good follower. When you are a good follower, then you can be the good leader. So now again I welcome you and I wish you a very good success in your career. Thank you very much. And also thank you, Ms. Dr. Anish, for giving me the chance to have a words with the students. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. But it would have been nice if you could have seen your face, but due to network errors, she's facing from today morning. So hopefully we will meet one day physically and we can see and have face-to-face interaction with the students as well as the faculty members. We are also waiting in a very eager manner when this pandemic will pass by. So now I would request Bandana ma'am to say a few words.
A very good evening to all of you and a warm welcome to all the freshers of this department who are present here. Let me introduce myself. My name is Bandana. I am working here in this department as an assistant professor since 2012. My specialization is water resources and environmental engineering. Dear freshers, as you are going to start a new academic year, which is basically on digital platform mostly. So I want to tell you that just do take the advantages of the many services which are available online to help you achieve your full potential. Or in other words, I think that let us think it as an opportunity to evolve in new ways. Also, your success is central to our mission at this institute. Anytime you have questions or you may feel unsure how to proceed in your academic journey, please reach out to us. We are here to help you with best possible ways. And I'm not taking much of your time. I'm to tell you that the students of one of the most. Thank you. Thank you, Anish sir.
Thank you, ma'am, for your short speech. And now I will request our Dr. ANGSHUMAN Mandal sir to say a few words.
Am I audible, sir? Hello.
Sir, yeah, quite
Am I audible, sir? Hello.
Yes, sir. You are quite audible. Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Respected HOD sir, Professor SAHAY sir, and Dr. Anish sir, Syed sir, and Bandana madam, and my dear students. So, very good evening to all of you. Basically, I am welcoming very cordially to the new batch entering into this department. And I am Dr. ANGSHUMAN Mandal. I joined the institute in 2017 January. So, in the past few years, I have witnessed it on an offline mode. This is a very, I think, extraordinary situation we are facing. So this time, this type of online thing is going on. But besides that, we will all have the same thing, that an idea about whether our SAHAY sir and Syed sir, Bandana madam, HOD sir at school, that we have to think in a different perspective. So in the new students and also the old student, I will say that I basically remember one word. One is a quotation from APJ Abdul Kalam sir, our renowned scientist president, that thinking is the capital, enterprise is the way, and hard working is the solution. So you must have to think and must have to question everything that you have gone through, and also you are going to face in your life. Okay. So and knowledge also unfold different perspective of your thinking. So with that, and also regarding our department, I want to say that in the last few years, I have seen the department is very dynamic in nature. Okay, it has the excellent academic environment. Along with that, it is socio-economical different perspective we have seen from MANISH Civil Engineering Society presentation also. And I am very much fortunate that I belong to this department, because in this pandemic situation also, I feel like what Anish sir has told, it's a family-like thing. Okay, so we'll also have that much of feeling with that, and because this edifice event has happened in this year during this pandemic situation, and all this such kind of event, you will also be a part of that. So with all this, I actually want to say to you that this is actually your department. Okay, so be always happy with that, and okay with that. So thank you all. Thank you from my part. So thank you all.
Thank you, ANGSHUMAN sir, for your kind words. Now, at the last, I would like to request myself to introduce myself. I am Dr. Anish. I am working here since 2009. I am specialized in structural engineering. I am also taking care of concrete and road material laboratory. And yes, it's quite true that it is a family. You can reach us anytime you wish, but in a proper manner. But of course, there should be a discipline. And one thing I have witnessed in last 2-3 days, since I was also present at the orientation program of yours when it was general orientation program. Now you are in engineering college, so you should behave like inspiring aspiring engineer. Okay. So one of the serious thing which I have seen of, and I won't say it is something you have done intentionally, but it happens. You were taking Microsoft Teams as a FB or Instagram page. Okay, you were chatting, you were sending the messages. Yes, it's quite okay that you had just joined, but now you have to learn some etiquettes. Now you have to learn some manners. And but of course, during this 4 years, you will be certainly learning these all things. You are seeing your seniors also, you will be seeing your seniors and behaving in the same manner. So have some discipline. We are always there to help you, but there should be some professional ethics and professional manners which is needed to be followed. और एक लास्ट चीज हिंदी में कहना चाहेंगे ताकि ये सबको समझ में आ जाए. ये समय एक ऐसा था जो हम लोगों के समय में जिंदगी में भी आया है. सहाय सर भी इस चीज को विटनेस किए होंगे, अंशुमान सर भी किए होंगे, सैयद सर भी किए होंगे, और मेरा भी था। मेरा भी किसी दिन एक दिन ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम हो रहा था जब मैं सहमा सा बैठा हुआ था, और कब वो 4 साल बीत गए पता ही नहीं चला। और आज उन 4 साल का केवल मेमोरी मेरे जहन में है जो मुझे एक्टिव रखता है। तो ये 4 साल आपको भी वही सारी यादें देगा। अब ये डिपेंड करता है आप उन यादों को किस तरह से लेना चाहते हैं, एक पॉजिटिव तरीके से लेना चाहते हैं या नेगेटिव तरीके से। एक चीज मैं और क्लियर करना चाहता हूँ, जो बहुत बच्चों से मैं सुना हूँ और अपने सीनियर से सुनेंगे, डिपार्टमेंट का बैक निकल जाता है, फर्स्ट ईयर का बैक नहीं निकलता। जितना पॉसिबल हो फर्स्ट ईयर का बैक ना लीजिए, ध्यान दीजिए। कोर्स नया है, पढ़ने का तरीका नया है, एग्जामिनेशन पैटर्न नया है, दिक्कतें आती हैं, इसको डिस्कस कीजिए अपने टीचर्स के साथ, हमारे साथ, लेकिन इसमें कोई कमी मत होने दीजिए। एक पैटर्न है यहाँ इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज का एग्जाम में पास होने का, आपको आपके कंसर्न फैकल्टी मेंबर्स बताएंगे जो फर्स्ट ईयर में आपको पढ़ाएंगे। और फर्स्ट ईयर में कोशिश कीजिए कि आपका कोई भी बैक ना लगे। एक और फ्रेज बहुत पुराना है, इस 4 साल में जब लड़का पहली बार आता है तो फर्स्ट ईयर में उसको रिसर्चर कहते हैं, क्योंकि उसके अंदर रिसर्च के जैसा कीड़ा होता है, वो हर चीज को उत्सुकता बस जानना चाहता है, हर चीज को छूता है, सुनता है, देखता है। सेकेंड ईयर में वो साइंटिस्ट बन जाता है, उसकी उत्सुकता थोड़ी खत्म हो जाती है। थर्ड ईयर में आके वो इंजीनियर बन जाता है, जहां वो अप्लाई करना चाहता है, कम पढ़ करके कैसे पास कर जाए। फाइनल ईयर तक वो इतना असाइनमेंट लिखता है कि ना वो रिसर्चर रहता है, ना साइंटिस्ट रहता है, ना इंजीनियर रहता है, वो एक लेबर बन जाता है। जो उसको काम दिया जाता है बस उतना ही करता है और दिमाग नहीं लगाता। लेकिन ये डिपार्टमेंट ऐसा है जिसमें हम 4 साल में रिसर्चर को रिसर्चर ही रखते हैं और बल्कि उससे बेहतरीन बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं। So with these words, I would like to conclude myself. We have been introduced to the department as well as the faculty members. Now I would request the students, first year student, to introduce yourself. Be very specific. Just tell your name, your some educational background, and from where you belong, as well as your hobby. So if I have got the list, so is Shubham Saurabh present here? First year. Shubham Saurabh. Okay. Then Kumar Aniket. Okay, fine. Then Mohit Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Please introduce yourself. Just put on your camera and introduce yourself.
So, sir, good morning, sir. Sir, I am Mohit Kumar. Sir, I passed my 12 forms and Dominic reviews, CBSE board, and I had taken admission in BIT for my higher studies. I will work hard for my further studies.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Aniket Raj. Ranveer Singh. Prachi Krishna. Anushka Gupta.
Sir,
Please introduce yourself. Just putting on the camera.
so my name is Anushka Gupta. I am from Patna and I am done my 10th and 12th in SRDAV Public School, Ranchi.
Anything else?
Sir,
Your hobbies?
I like painting.
Okay, thank you. Shubham Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Please introduce yourself, just putting on a camera.
Hello, myself KUMAR. I did my 10th and 12th from Patna Central School, Patna. My hobby is playing chess, and I choose BIT Patna for my higher education, and I do hard work for keeping the flag up of BIT, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Abhijit Gaurav. Kisler Ranjan.
Yes, sir.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Kisler Ranjan. I studied my 10th from St. Xavier's.
Kisler, your mic has been muted. Please unmute your mic. Okay, please say.
My name is Kisler Ranjan. I studied my 10th from St. Xavier's, and my 12th was, I studied my 12th from Telangana boards.
Okay.
Thank you.
Fine. Harsh Anand. Harsh Anand. Prem Ranjan.
Sir.
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
Sir. Yes, sir. My name is Prem Ranjan. Yes, sir. I was did my 12th in Bokaro. Yes, sir.
And your 12th?
Yes, sir. I in CBSE board, sir. Bokaro.
Acha. Yeah, and your hobbies?
Sir, I like dancing, sir.
Okay, very fine. Thank you. Priyanshu Ranjan? So, sorry, Priyanshu Kumar.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, honorable professors, seniors, and my dear friends. I am Priyanshu Kumar from Patna, and I done my 10th and 12th from DAB Public School, and my hobby is playing cricket. And I feel very glad to become the part of this prestigious university. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now, Saurabh Kumar. 15066. Please say.
Sir, my name is Saurabh Kumar. Sir, I completed my 10th and 12th from BRDB Begusarai. I love to play football. Thanks, sir.
Okay. Then Ashish Ranjan. One 15067. Yashashvi. 15068. Arpit Kumar. 15069.
Good evening, sir. Sir, myself Arpit Kumar. I am from Motiari, Champaran, Bihar, and I completed my 10th from Modern Public School Motiari by CBSE, and I completed my 12th class through BSCB Bihar Board from Motiari also. And my hobby is playing cricket and listening music at all.
Okay, fine. Then Mahi Sharan. Then Himanshu Raj.
बैड नेटवर्क क्वालिटी तेरी अरे अभी चलेगा मेरा नाम ही
I would like to again announce Himanshu Mahi Sharan. Is she present? Technical team, please look into it that whether Himanshu Raj is present. Sorry, Mahesh Sharan is present. And I would also request our technical team to see at that instance whose mic was open, as it would be recorded on YouTube also. Thank you. Shubhanshu Raj. Shubhanshu Raj. Gulshan Prakash.
Good evening, sir. I'm Gulshan Prakash, and I've done my 10th plus 12 from a CBSE board with Vidyaniketan Public School, and I'm from Ranchi, Jharkhand.
Okay, fine. Your hobbies?
My hobbies playing video games and listening music, and I like sports also.
Okay, fine. So next, Swati Kumari. Then Ayush Kumar Chaudhary. Then Satvik Nayan.
Yes, sir.
Please introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone. I am Sadhvik Nayan from Patna. I have completed my 10th board from St. Xavier High School and 12th from Loyola High School, Patna. My interest is to play football and cricket in free time, and my goal is to focus study from now. That's all about me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And last but not the least, Mohammad Farhad.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please put on your camera and say a few words.
Good evening, all faculty members, my teachers, my seniors, and my colleagues. My name is Mohammad Farhad, and I did a sports approx 72%. And I did my class 12th from Himalayan Public School, Patna. I score approx 70%. My hobby is playing, cooking, and listening music.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Farhad.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So our orientation program has ended here. Now, just with a single line, I would like to conclude the session with the permission of our HOD sir, that since norms of anti-ragging is being applied for the fresher student, so there should be minimum interaction between the first year and rest of the students of second year, third year, and final year. So you are requested to follow the departmental instructions, if any, given to you. Because we won't be able to have so you continuously monitor your mail which you have registered here and would be registering through our Google form. We will be having different events whose details will be sent to you through the mail. Okay, and if you have any query with us, our mail IDs are available on the website. You may contact us on our mail. Certainly we will respond you as quickly as possible. So BALRAM sir, with your permission, can I end the session? BALRAM sir, are you there, sir?
I'm there.
So can I end the session, sir?
Sure.
Okay. So thank you, freshers, for joining the session. Hope your stay will be safe at your home and your life ahead in BIT Patna will be a nice and there will be a sweet memory. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.